Hey, I am Lee Graham. In this video, I would like to tell you about DataHarvest, what it is we do, and how we supply our data logging science solutions around the world. DataHarvest are based in Bedfordshire, United Kingdom, and have been shaping science education for over 40 years. Since the early 1980s, we've been designing innovative data logging solutions that help students explore science through real-world data.
I'm very proud of what DataHarvest has achieved in playing a key role in the teaching of science and educating our young scientists. Back in the 1980s, the concept of data logging was very new, but now it is embedded within the curriculum.
As pioneers of classroom data capture in the UK, our products are now trusted by educators across the globe. At the heart of DataHarvest are powerful data loggers and precision sensors that transform science lessons into hands-on, engaging experiences. Paired with our award-winning EasySense software, students can instantly visualise and understand data, turning curiosity into insight. As teaching evolves, so does our technology. Our latest Bluetooth-enabled sensors allow experiments to run wirelessly, giving students the freedom to move, collaborate, and share live data across multiple devices, untethered and uninterrupted. Every product is designed, engineered, and manufactured in the UK. Our skilled technicians hand-build each device and individually calibrate every sensor, ensuring accuracy, reliability, and classroom-ready performance. From individual classrooms to large-scale international projects, DataHarvest delivers worldwide, supporting educators with responsive customer service, practical resources, and expert advice. All our products meet international standards, are fully certified, and come with a no-quibble 5-year warranty, providing confidence long after delivery. DataHarvest delivers high-quality, affordable science solutions that empower teachers and inspire students, helping shape the future of science education worldwide. Visit data-harvest.co.uk to learn more.